Welcome to Worx on Amazon.
The Worx Sawhorses with clamps are lightweight, durable, and a must-have for any DIYer. They weigh less than 16 pounds, but can easily hold loads up to 1,000 pounds. The two bar clamps easily attach to your sawhorses when not in use. And when you are using your bar clamps, they easily attach to your sawhorses without tools and will hold your material in a vertical position or a horizontal position up to 18 inches, and they keep your material sturdy and secure while you're working. The sawhorses have a built-in cord wrap and a convenient storage shelf to help keep your work area organized, and the sawhorses easily fold for compact storage. The Worx Sawhorse's rugged durability and clamping capability make these a DIYer favorite.
Dewalt's new 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw, the DWS780, is our best yet, delivering our largest capacity, improved accuracy with the built-in XPS system, and the durability, portability, and ease of use features that our end users demand on the job site.
Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by Dewalt. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance 2 next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887. With next-generation Dewalt XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built, guaranteed tough, by Dewalt.
These are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. The JS470E has a top handle, and the JS470EB has a barrel grip for even better control. These tools provide power, durability, and precision for any woodworking professional. A 7-amp motor helps you power through wood, aluminum, even mild steel. The no-load SPM ranges from 500 up to 3100 and has up to 60 Hertz. Constant response circuitry ensures that the desired speed is maintained when under load, so you never have to worry about inconsistencies in performance or precision. Simply adjust between 4 different orbital action settings to find the right blade stroke for both smooth and aggressive cuts. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. Both jigsaws features a toolless blade ejection lever, so you don't have to touch a hot blade when it's time to change, and they're both equipped with a non-marring plastic overshoe that protects finer surfaces. An anti-splinter insert fits either into the overshoe or directly into the footplate. The ambidextrous lock-on allows you for long and steady cuts without compromising comfort. Internal precision control within the plunge system is designed to keep vibration low and enhance accuracy for extremely smooth operation. So these are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB top handle and barrel grip jigsaw. For more information on these tools, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
You need power to get the job done, but the power cord keeps you tied down. Dewalt changes the game with FlexVolt. Now you have the power of corded and freedom of cordless. We're talking the most advanced cordless system we've designed. FlexVolt is the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. In 20-volt max tools, the 15-cell battery delivers 4 times the runtime of a compact 20-volt max battery. Slide the FlexVolt battery into the new line of 60-volt max brushless tools and the battery automatically switches to series, delivering 60 volts of cordless tool performance. Double up 2 FlexVolt batteries for 120-volt max. That's enough to power a 12-inch sliding miter saw. It's the completely cordless, completely flexible job site. It's the freedom to get right to work without the hassle of extension cords. And your FlexVolt battery is compatible with your existing 20-volt max tools and chargers, part of our fastest growing cordless system. So when you need the power to get the job done right, don't reach for a corded tool. Dewalt FlexVolt gives you the power to cut the cord and power up your job site. FlexVolt, power of corded, freedom of cordless. Built, guaranteed tough, by Dewalt.
This is the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. With a 2¼ horsepower 12-amp motor, this router can provide 8,000 to 25,000 RPM and tackle those tough routing applications and materials. Turn the speed up or down with the variable speed dial depending on the job at hand. This Bosch router is available with plunge and fixed bases. The fixed base has threaded holes to mount to a router table. The wide base opening and 2-inch subwoofer opening accepts larger bits, while the front spindle lock lets you easily and quickly change bits. Coarse and microfine adjustment knobs allow for versatile, precise depth adjustment. Soft start reduces startup torque, and constant response circuitry helps to maintain a constant speed under load while providing overload protection. Precision centering design makes it easy to keep the bit on the intended outline when using jigs, templates, dovetail fixtures, and other guidance devices. Right or left switch location allows for user preference and consistency, so the motor doesn't rotate during depth adjustment. Contoured soft grip handles enhance comfort and control. So there you have it, the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.
Are you looking for a saw that'll deliver precision and accuracy in hard-to-cut sheet materials? Then you're ready for the Makita SP6000J 6.5-inch plunge circular saw. A saw that's ideal for ripping and cross-cutting sheet materials and engineered to provide you precise, splinter-free cuts. The SP6000J is built with superior features designed to deliver best-in-class accuracy, versatility, and performance. The saw features a precision cutting system, which includes dual bevel supports to keep the saw squared to the material, and is engineered to keep the line of cut in exact position regardless of the angle of the bevel. The precision cutting system ensures precise cuts and saves setup time. The SP6000J has a bevel cutting capacity of 1 to 48 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Adding to the precision cutting capabilities is the quick depth stop feature. To achieve a precise cut, set the depth to 1/16 of an inch by activating the Quick Depth Stop button. Well, this allows you to score the surface across the material. Then release the Quick Depth Stop setting and make the final cut. The SP6000J can make a close-to-the-wall cut of only 11/16 of an inch for expanding applications. At the heart of the system is the optional guide rail that accommodates the saw's base with zero play. The durable aluminum rails are available in 55 and 118-inch lengths for either cross-cut or rip cuts on a variety of sheet materials. The Makita guide rails also accommodate other saw brands. Along the end of the guide rail is a splinter guard strip that serves as an exact cut line. The replaceable non-slip scripts on the bottom of the guide rail will reduce shifting of the guide rail while cutting. For an increased grip, simply slide the optional clamps into the T-slots on the bottom of the guide rail, securing them against the workpiece. Once the guide rail is positioned on the line of cut, place the SP6000J onto the track. Then remove any play by adjusting the cams at the front and rear of the saw's base. This will help create a precise and splinter-free cut. Makita's built the SP6000J circular saw with state-of-the-art electronic and mechanical features that'll reinforce Makita's legacy of best-in-class engineering. The SP6000J uses precision machine magnesium for the blade case, gear housing, and base. Exceeding industry-standard machine specifications, the SP6000J weighs only 9.3 pounds, making it the lightest saw in its class. The large two-finger trigger and the ergonomic rubberized handle provide additional comfort. The SP6000J has a soft start feature for smooth startups and a variable speed control dial for optimum performance in a variety of soft and hardwood materials. The electronic speed control and powerful 12-amp motor are designed to maintain constant speed under load, even under hard and thick materials, creating a smooth and splinter-free cut every time. The saw comes in a stored system case that protects the saw and is easy to store and carry. With the SP6000J, Makita has delivered a saw capable of performing precise, accurate, and straight cuts that'll change the way professionals and serious building do-it-yourselfers cut large sheets of materials. From the likely magnesium components to the splinter-free precision bevel cuts, powerful 12-amp motor, and ergonomic rubberized grip, the SP6000J is destined to become a favorite among professional woodworkers. Get into the plunge circular saw technology today.
And now, for the much talked about, truly distinct Keter folding work table. Imagine a workbench so compact and portable, you can bring it from this to this in just 2 seconds. That's right, thanks to its unique patented opening system. All you have to do is grasp the opening on both sides, pull in the release latches, and there you have it. A practical workstation that saves you ample storage space.
And it's sturdy enough to hold up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kilograms. You can even store your toolbox on its bottom level, keeping your tools always within hand's reach. But there's more. The unit also includes 2 clamps that can be easily mounted both horizontally and vertically, making it easy to saw, brush, nail, and do just about anything. So there you have it, the distinct heavy-duty Keter folding work table. You really can't get more practical than that. Keter Do-It-Myself Show.